I think. So yeah, I think it's very exciting times to be associated with Daniel Wellington, and I'm super thrilled to be the face of their new campaign. I think Daniel Wellington for me truly personifies what I feel are really important aspects of great style. They are minimalist, they are gorgeous, and they also are classic and luxurious. I think it all syncs with my personal style. So I couldn't have asked for a better watch to wear and a better association to be a part of.
Which is absolutely fantastic. So Radhika, I think this would be the perfect moment for us to take a quick photo opportunity. Yes, so I'm going to grab that mic from you. Okay. Around the corner.
I know.
And I can see your face light up when I talk about it. Of course, it's the Festival of Lights, but
yes.
We all know it's also the Festival of Gifting.
Gifting.
And it's a festival of buying.
Absolutely.
Right?
I remember as a child, the whole thing of Diwali was actually, that was the only 4 days when my parents took off, like work.
Right.
And the whole thing was getting gifts for different families, friends and family members, and wrapping the gifts.
Yes.
And we used to literally leave in the morning on Lakshmi Pujan and visit everybody and give them gifts and receive more in return. So I am so thrilled because since this association began, my family both in India and in London have been like saying that, oh my God, now that you're associated with them, what do we get?
When are the watches coming?
Exactly. So I'm going to definitely, and I'm not just saying this, I actually am, going to give them the new Daniel Wellington collection and the new bracelet as well.
Superb. So talking about Diwali and the new Daniel Wellington collection, I think this is that moment where we must go ahead and unveil the new Daniel Wellington Diwali video where Radhika shares some timeless moments. Yeah? Are you ready? Yes? Okay. Quickly tell us, what was your experience about working on this video?
Okay, can I first say that I've just seen it on the big screen, and I think that the watch looks so pretty and elegant, and the color really suits my skin tone. I'm so happy. So basically, I went to South Africa for this shoot. And we all have grown up watching Diwali videos on TV, and I really wanted to be a part of one always. And I think this was the best one because it's so beautiful, elegant, and delicate. And I was so far away from home, actually. I remember I went there for 24 hours, but I have to say, and this is what I'm going to say, we went for dinner that day with the whole Daniel Wellington team. They had flown from Sweden. and literally felt like we've known each other for a week and we've been working with each other for a week. It literally felt like friends and family, and the whole atmosphere was so lovely.
That's
so
cool.
I think that was a truly special moment. And the shoot was wonderful. We were in South Africa near the sea, and it was just great. And yeah, and just soon after that, though Diwali is still coming, Daniel Wellington sort of gave me my Daniel Wellington moment. One day, I just received their entire collection.
Wow.
And I can't tell you, I was like a girl in some gift shop, like candy shop. I was like, oh my God, I have literally every color, every type, every kind of their watches. And it was really sweet. It was very kind of you.
So it was Diwali and Christmas all together.
All together.
All together. All right, well, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to request... All right, gentlemen there.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, just give us a moment. We'll just get the mic to you.
Mike.
Please use the mic.
राधिका, अगदी मनापासून तुझं अभिनंदन. तुझं ब्रँड अँबॅसेडर म्हणून ह्याची निवड झाली आहे. कशी होती पहिल्यांदा तुझी फिलिंग ज्यावेळेला तुला विचारण्यात आलं, आणि तेही इंटरनॅशनल ब्रँड कडून?
I'll just translate it so that some people who don't understand.
Yes.
Basically, he's asking me that what was my reaction when I found out that I'm going to be associated with Daniel Wellington. So I was just talking to them, telling them that the year before I was associated with Daniel Wellington, my father-in-law, it was his birthday, and we wanted to give him a watch. And all of us on that family WhatsApp group that we all have, I'm sure, sort of discussed what to do, and we selected a Daniel Wellington watch. And so the day this association happened, I told them, everybody was like, oh my God, I wish this had happened earlier. So I was absolutely thrilled because this was a unanimous choice of my entire family.
हा ब्रँड तुझ्यासाठी किती इम्पॉर्टंट आहे आणि तो तरुणांना किती इन्स्पायर करेल?
See, I mean, it's about accessories, and I think watches. See, I was a lot into watches. There was a time I used to wear a watch all the time. And there was a time I stopped, and now I'm back into wearing watches again. I really, really love wearing a watch because every time otherwise we want to see the time we take the phone out, and then we get very anxious because of the messages that are already there. So I think this is actually the best way of looking at time. And I always keep my watch 5 minutes ahead. And I'm big on punctuality, actually. I really am. I'm mostly always the first person to come. And I really believe in punctuality. So for me, this is a very important thing. And I mean, there are so many beautiful watches, but this really goes with my personality. The very simple, minimal, and the delicate, elegant style of it.
In fact, Radhika, you want to tell us what watch are you wearing right now? Which
Yes,
Daniel Wellington
this is
watch?
classic Petite Melrose.
Classic Petite Melrose.
Yes,
Okay,
and I
sounds
love
good.
the rose gold.
It's beautiful.
राधिका मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द ग्रेट एसोसिएशन विद द इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड कितना इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है एक सक्सेसफुल एक्ट्रेस के लिए किसी भी एक एंडोर्समेंट या एसोसिएशन या कोलैबोरेशन एक
See, I'll tell you two things. I don't know about importance. Of course, I mean importance as in it sort of creates an image of you in the industry and outside. But for me, there are two things. One is that there are certain brands I genuinely like. So the association I personally enjoy. And also meeting people from, like for example, I'm meeting the entire team from Bombay and Sweden. And just interacting with them, what is their ideology, what did they come up with, what is their thought behind what they do, and how do they create designs. I find it very exciting. So I like the association anyway. And secondly, I think if you think you have any influence, it's important to know what you're promoting. And I'm very picky about that. So when I met them, their energy and my energy, we sort of synced, our wavelengths matched, and I really feel that it's for me.
if you want to give someone in industry a friend whom you're going to give this in
Clover
Diwali-
Wooten, who's standing there.
I'm talking about like industry friend
Are she's industry friend. only work related friend.
Radhika,
Yes.
hi. Radhika,
Hi.
you work
Okay,
close-
that'll be our
yeah.
last question.
Yeah. Radhika, you work closely with the talent agency Quan, whose founder has been accused of sexual harassment, recently. What would your call be? Will you disassociate yourself with the agency?
He stepped down.
But there are still
and-
there is this info going that he's not stepped down. It's just the
They've-
press release that
yeah,
they have
I'm
sent out.
completely closely in contact with them. They're making sure that everybody who's involved in the agency are updated, and they've issued another statement saying that he's 100% stepped down, and I'm a 100% supporter of Me Too, and there is further investigation going on. So I just want to say I support the movement, and whatever happens, we'll see. But I also believe that Quan, like for me, the people I've been associated with Quan have helped me, like Jaya Saha especially, and I have a great relationship with them, and they're all taking action right now, and we all support the movement.
Okay, fantastic. That's all the time we have,
Thank
Radhika,
you.
for questions. But
Thank you.
on behalf of the Daniel Wellington family,
Thank
which
you.
you're a part of,
Thank you.
though, I must formally say thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
joining us here this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Radhika Apte.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. We don't have time. We're really running out of time. Maybe? Okay, one. All right, go for it. Okay,
Listen, there are so many people, and there are more things will come out, and we can't go, how will I see every individual case? As a industry, we are trying to come together and find a way of constructively making a system where we can all be able to have a safe environment, and it's going on. You will all know about that soon. But I'm a part of that, and I hope we come up with a constructive system which is equal and genderless. It's for every human being.
Absolutely, but I think now we should talk about Diwali and celebration.
Absolutely.
Right?
I think Diwali is such a
end
good
this on a
occasion
happy
that
note.
this is all happening at the same time.
Yes, it's all happening at the same time. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us here this evening. And Radhika, thank you very much. Once again, can we
Thank
have
you.
another round of applause
Thank you.
for the very gorgeous, stunning Radhika.
Thank you so
Radhika,
much.
thank you
for
so
coming here.
much.
Thank you.
And of course, when you're uploading your pictures on Instagram, Facebook, do not forget to use hashtag Diwali and tag Daniel Wellington while you're uploading your images.